In Google, type Python and then click on Download. And we will choose the operating system of our PC. For me, it is Windows. After downloading, we click on Setup to start the installation. I prefer to work on a personal PC. So we must check all users, all symbols and libraries to avoid errors. Otherwise, you type the same code and will have missing files. For the proper functioning of Python, we will give it all the administrations, all necessary authorizations. The installation went well. Now we will install a code explorer. I prefer PYCHARM, so in Google I type PYCHARM and then I start the installation. After downloading as usual, next. I'm giving feedback, I'm reading, I don't want to forward them, but prefer to the files with PyCharm. The installation of PyCharm went well, and new versions will always come to improve and facilitate programming. I start PyCharm. So I permit the program to work properly on my PC. I click on New Project and then on the terminal. I'm going to check that my program is working properly. I type Python 2 full version. Now I will install Anaconda. Why Anaconda? Because we are going to make an entry on scientific calculations. On machine learning, Anaconda is a popular distribution of specialized Python designed for data science. And also for machine learning and scientific calculations. After downloading, we simply click on Next and leave everything as default. At the end of the installation, we will open Anaconda in PyCharm. In the terminal, we type the code conda 2 times, then version, since the version is displayed, so our working environment is ready.